Welcome to the world of making money online. With a computer and an internet connection, anyone can make money without leaving their house. But where do you begin? This video will guide you through the basics of making money online as a beginner. One of the easiest ways to make money online is through freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, design, or coding, you can offer your services to clients all over the world. There are many websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr that can connect you with clients looking for your services. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make passive income online. Essentially, you promote products or services and earn a commission every time someone buys through your unique affiliate link. Many companies have affiliate programs like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Many companies will pay you to take surveys and give your opinion about their products. While this won't make you rich, it can be an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer paid surveys and other small tasks. Making money online can be an exciting journey, especially if you're just starting out. Remember to do your research, stay motivated, and don't expect overnight success. With hard work and dedication, anyone can make money online.